Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Google Nest Doorbell camera keeps going offline, Wi-Fi, power and app fix guide. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi signal. Open the Google Home app and check the doorbell's connection status. Now move your router closer or use the Wi-Fi extender if the signal is weak. Then restart your router and reconnect the doorbell. Fix 2. Restart the Nest Doorbell. Open the Google Home app and select your Nest Doorbell. Now restart the device from the settings menu if available, and if needed, manually reset the doorbell by following the device instructions. Fix 3. Factory reset the Nest Doorbell. First locate the reset button on the doorbell and then press it and hold it for the required time. Now wait for the reset process to complete, then set up the doorbell again in the Google Home app. Fix 4. Reconnect the doorbell to Wi-Fi. Open the Google Home app and remove the doorbell from your home setup. Now add the device again and follow the setup instructions. Then connect it to the correct Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.